Hello, I'm Marco Flag from Desert Star Systems. In this series of videos, I'm going to show you how to install the ARC control software on a Windows PC. Normally, you don't have to do that because we include in the STM3, which is your DEC box for the acoustic releases, we include a tablet computer, but of course there are chances that you may have to install it on a different computer, and so that is what this video series is about. There's essentially 3 steps to it. Number 1, you install the application itself, which is rather straightforward. Number 2, you have to install a device driver, a USB device driver, so that you can talk to this DEC box. And then number 3, test it out, and I'm going to show you some diagnostic tricks here. So let's start with number 1 in this video here, how to install the ARC control application itself. In order to obtain it, you have to contact Desert Star Systems and ask for it, because it's a software that's for sale. Once you get it, you'd probably have a zip archive that you unzip, and this is here the installer package, and now you would simply click on here. Okay, that's set up. Let me see if I can move this box out of the way here. Okay, it's out of the way now. And you just go through the wizard here. Hit next. Just install it where it wants to put it by default. That makes it easiest for everybody. Hit next. Hit next. And yes, we will allow some changes here. And close. All right. So that's it. It is already installed. I'll probably see an icon for it somewhere here. Here I see it, acoustic release. Let me click on it. And there it is installed. Of course, now it's saying unable to open Surface Station communications on COM port 1. And let's say we don't have device drivers installed. The STM isn't connected yet, so I wouldn't be able to talk to it yet. All right, well, that's the first part here. And in the next video, you will see how to install the device driver.